So I'm going to yarn over and insert the hook into the stitch. Yarn over again, pull up a loop. Yarn over again, pull through 2, yarn over again, and pull through 2. Let's continue that. Yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, and pull through 2. Now we're getting the rhythm of it. Again, we're going to continue this all the way down this row. Nice and easy. Adjusting the tension of your yarn as you need to. If it's too tight, then loosen it up a little bit. So if it's super tight like that, I might just pull up a bit here, give the hook a little bit of breathing room. Yarn over. And as you can see, before I yarn over again, I pull up a little bit so there's a little bit of space and this loop is a little bit looser. Because when I pull it through, I don't want to be too tight that it's so difficult to pull the hook through the loops. And you also don't want it to be too loose. So you got to kind of play around with it and find the right amount of tension in your yarn.